Before I show you anything, I want to ask you one question. If your job application stopped working tomorrow, what is your backup plan? Keep that in your mind. Because everything I am about to show you is the answer to that question. My name is Krishna. I introduce you to BMS Global. And if you are watching this, one of these three things is true about you right now. Either you have a technical skill, Python, JavaScript, data, AI, and you are not earning from it yet. Or you have been applying for jobs, sending resumes, waiting for responses that are not coming. Or you know what freelancing is, you have watched the videos, you have read the articles, but you have not started. I made this video for exactly that person. In the next 8 minutes, I am going to show you what is actually happening in the market right now, why people with your exact skill are already earning from it, and what the one decision is that separates them from people who are still waiting. Let us get into it. The job market is not slow. It is shifting. And most graduates do not even realize it is happening until it is too late. Look at what is actually changing. Startups are moving away from full-time hiring because they can get skilled work done per project without the salary liability, without the office, without the HR. Project-based hiring has reduced company cost by 30 to 50%. That is not going to reverse. Remote global hiring is now completely normal. A company in the UK will hire a developer from Pune without thinking twice. Location is gone as a barrier. Experience beats degree in project-based hiring. Your portfolio matters more than your college name. And here is the most important number. 2 to 3 clients simultaneously. 1 client pays your rent, 2 builds your savings, 3 builds wealth. That is available to you right now with the skill you already have. Look at this list. JavaScript, Python, React, AI and machine learning, data analysis, full stack development, Java, SQL, business analysis. If you know any one of these, you are already capable of freelancing. Not after 6 months, not after 12 more courses, not after you feel ready. Right now. I want you to understand something that most people never see. Clients are posting jobs for your skill on platforms like Upwork every single hour, every day. Python developers, React developers, data analysts, AI engineers. The demand is already there. What is missing is not your skill. What is missing is a system. Here is the thing nobody explains. You learned the skill, but nobody taught you the bridge between skill and income. On one side, your skills. Python, JavaScript, data, AI. On the other side, the income those skills can generate. 25,000 a month, 60,000, 1 lakh plus. In the middle, the gap. The gap has 4 parts. Positioning, how to present your skills so a client immediately understands your value. Client outreach, how to reach the right people without sounding desperate. Proposals, how to write something that actually gets a reply. And pricing confidence, how to put a number on your work without undervaluing yourself. This is why skilled people do not earn, not because they are not good enough, because nobody taught them the bridge. BMS Global closes this gap. Structured, live, certified. This is not theory. This is the exact sequence that works for beginners. No experience needed to start. Week 1, you position yourself. You pick the one skill you already know. You write one positioning statement. You set up your profile. You study 5 real job posts to understand what clients actually want. By the end of week 1, you look like a professional, not a beginner. Week 2, you send 50 proposals. That sounds like a lot. It is 10 per day for 5 days. That is 45 minutes of focused work. You use the problem approach outcome format. You keep it to 4 or 5 lines. By the end of week 2, 3 to 5 interested clients have replied. Week 3, you have real conversations. You respond fast, you ask the right questions, you shortlist 1 or 2 serious clients. Week 4, you deliver your first project. You get paid. First payment is not the end. It is proof that your system works. Now you scale it. I want to show you real numbers. Look at the fresher job column. That is what a fixed salary pays. Now look at the freelance column. Python developer, up to 1 lakh a month. AI and machine learning, up to 1.5 lakh. Highest demand in 2026. Full stack man,
1.2 lakh for MVP bills. And the most important line, 3 projects a month equals more than most fresher jobs combined. A fresher job pays a fixed salary, freelancing pays per project. The ceiling is yours to set. Now I want you to meet 3 people. Tanmoy Sarkar, IT support analyst at Amazon and Cisco Networking Academy in Bangalore. He paid 9 rupees, read the blueprint. This is what he said in his own words on WhatsApp. The process of how to start the work is given in a very clear description. No doubts on the PDF so far, which makes me more curious to learn how to start quickly with the help of you and your team. Vinay Durga Shankar, M.Tech Computer Science, Python full stack developer from Andhra Pradesh. His words, it gives a clear overview about skill positioning and the importance of soft skills. I am currently learning the basics and understanding how freelancing works step by step. And Sohana Sheikh, Java full stack and Flutter developer from Maharashtra. She said, so much related to freelancing, mentorship roadmap, certification, skill development, how to build a freelancing portfolio, how to get the first client, growth, 30-day action plan, and most important, all about mindset. These are not success stories I created. These are real people. LinkedIn profile verified, WhatsApp conversations available in the free guide. They paid 9 rupees, you are watching this for free. The next step is the same for both of you. Here is where we land. You have seen the market shift, you have seen what your skill is worth, you have seen the roadmap, you have seen real people, with your exact background, take the first step and get clarity. Now you have 2 options, Path A, the 9 rupee blueprint, 50 chapters, every platform, every template, every script, from first proposal to first payment. It costs less than a cup of chai, and it is fully refundable when you join the main program. Path B, if you are not ready to spend even 9 rupees right now, message us on WhatsApp. We will send you the platform strategy guide, completely free. 6 platforms, exact strategy for each one. Read it, come back with questions. We'll take it from there. Either way, the one thing I ask you not to do is nothing. You have the skill, you have seen the opportunity, you have seen real people, with your exact background, take the first step. The only thing between where you are right now and where you want to be is one decision. The link is below this video. I will see you on the other side.